Hey there, welcome back to another insightful dive into industrial know-how. Today I'm breaking down the essentials of storage tanks, their purpose, and maintenance procedures. First, let's talk about their purpose. Storage tanks are the backbone of many industries. Think power plants, chemical processing facilities, and even food production. These giants are used to store a variety of substances like water, petroleum, chemicals, and even gases. Without them, the continuity and efficiency of these industries would grind to a halt. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of their maintenance. Proper care of storage tanks is crucial to ensure their longevity and safety. The first step, regular inspections. It's essential to conduct both internal and external inspections to check for any signs of wear and tear, corrosion or leaks. This can be done using visual checks, ultrasonic testing, and even drones for those hard-to-reach areas. Next up, coating and painting. These processes are essential for protecting the tank from environmental factors like moisture, UV exposure, and chemical reactions. A well-applied coating can significantly extend the life of a tank. Make sure to select the right type of coating based on the substance stored and the tank's material. After all, you wouldn't want to use the same paint for a water tank as you would for a petroleum tank, right? Cleaning is another critical maintenance step. Over time, sediment and residues can build up, potentially leading to contamination or blockages. Depending on the tank's contents, different cleaning methods can be used, anything from simple water flushing to more complex chemical cleaning. Finally, safety checks and protocols should never be skipped. Ensure that all safety valves, pressure relief systems, and monitoring equipment are in top-notch condition. This not only prevents accidents, but also helps in maintaining compliance with industry regulations. So there you have it, a quick rundown of storage tanks, their purposes, and how to keep them in tip-top shape. Remember, regular maintenance and inspections are key to preventing costly downtime and ensuring operational safety. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more industry insight.